Brrr. It's just after 7 in the morning and it's about -20, and we're gonna try the water in the air turning into steam trick and show you how it all works. Now the problem is the wind's taking it away, eh? Okay. Back at Ben's house, and we're gonna go down to the dock at his house, and we're gonna try again. All right, we just tried it, and it kind of worked.
Yeah, I sort of got it there.
That's cool.
2, 1, go.
That water wasn't hot enough, I think. Okay, so we're having some issues because the temperature is not quite as cold as it was the other day when it was -27. Right now it's about -14. Okay, ready?
2, 1.
That's just like a shower of water.
Yeah, so this one's in our full thermos, so this one might be actually a little hotter.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
That was better. Ah! Ow. Okay, let's get the camera sitting straight here. And the trick really is super hot water. And when you throw it, you want to look at it, but don't look at it because you're going to get showered with water also.
Again, all the way, down lower. And then make sure you finish in the same spot, but don't go too fast. 1, 2, 3, go.